we going?
We're going on a cruise. It's cruise day.
Cruise day.
Yay!
Boarding the Carnival Vista this morning for an 8-day.
Yay!
Going to Amber Cove, San Juan, Maarten and St. Thomas.
Whoa, hitting a lot of bumps.
So we'll bring that to you.
Yeah, we're on our way.
5 ships in today.
5 ships in today.
Busy day.
He's been counting them since 3 o'clock this morning.
3:05. That was counting. Anyway, we'll see as we get closer.
Yay!
Vista. We've got the Mardi Gras, Norwegian. We've got the Disney Fantasy, and over hiding behind there should be the Vista and the Voyager of the Seas, and another broke down bus. Hey, what are we doing now?
Hey, we're in Port Canaveral and we're just killing a little bit of time before we can get on the ship.
So they're in McDonald's eating, and we're just sitting out in the car waiting. No biggie. We told them to take their time because we're a little early. It's only like 8:30. We're a tad bit early. So anyway, so Carnival Vista, check in next. See ya. What day is it, Dad?
Cruise day!
Cruise
Yay!
day. See ya.
Cruise day!
Not too many people here yet.
I want to see if they...
Now what are we doing?
Now we've made it all the way up to the Diamond Suites to get ready to get on the ship, and it won't be long. They said about 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
And
It's
Diamond's only
5 till
here.
10.
Just Diamonds, because they're diamonds.
Diamonds are a girl's best friend. So imagine that. 10:15, and we're on our way. Oh, we're not on yet, but we're heading that way. All right, we'll see you on the ship.
I tried to call from your phone, but I think the signal, so we'll get up somewhere.
And we are on the Carnival Vista. Babe. Babe. You want to get the mustard drill out of the way.
Yeah, here we go.
And then it'll be time to party.
Let's go.
All right, let's see.
This is your muster station for A5, the theater.
They gotta make sure this boat's cleared off before they let us.
Life jacket demonstration is going to last 30 minutes. Welcome, Frank. I'm joking. It's going to be like 3 minutes while you get scared. I feel all the views here.
Where are we going now, babe?
We're going out to Lido Deck, and we're going to find a table and Max and Rose, and then we're going to get us some lunch.
Yeah, 5 decks. But we beat the elevator.
And then with 5 decks. We came up 5 flights.
All right, see you out there.
Good try.
Cherry's gonna go check out the marketplace. I'm gonna get me a burrito bowl.
if your child does not yet obtain one.
Thank you so much for joining us up there for our big Saturday party. If you haven't seen already, the captain's horns, we are currently leaving Port Canaveral. Vacation has started! Thank you so much for joining us for our Saturday party. My name is Maarten, your cruise director. Do not miss the big welcome aboard show tonight at 9:30 inside the Liquid Lounge. It's the main event of the night. Do not miss it. Fun for all ages. But
just like that, the party is over. We're going, babe.
We actually are going to dinner, and I'm so hungry. Right, love?
We haven't eaten all day. We're going to the Reflections.
Well, we ate lunch.
I forgot about that.
Lunch.
We're going to the Reflections dining room, which is forward, deck 3. All right, we're going down right now. The thing is there.
There we go. Come on.
All right, well, this is a beautiful view at dinner, except for that. We're okay with it. We don't care. Oh, what's that floating? Oh, it's a spot on the window. My first appetizer, chicken soup, rice soup. Here you got your grilled cheese and macaroni and cheese as an appetizer. Max got macaroni and cheese.
It was her idea.
And grilled cheese, and Rose got nothing.
Z's.
She's sleeping. My second appetizer, shrimp cocktail. Yep, nothing. Again, nothing. While these two eat their macaroni and cheese and grilled cheese like children.
And we get a banana split tomorrow?
Absolutely. Mary got for her entree a cheeseburger. We're gonna share the ribs, the short ribs.
And what did Rose get?
Rose got nothing. Rose didn't show up again. And Max is still waiting because he's still playing with his macaroni.
I'm still playing.
We also got a Cobb salad.
Got it.
I'll let you know what I get in just a second. My Cobb salad arrived. Max, nothing. That's not Rose's. That's not hers. Got Max.
I got a strip loin steak.
That is a shocker right there.
I know. I hardly ever eat steak.
Yeah, I noticed. First dessert, Terry got cheesecake. I got cheesecake. Max got cheesecake.
All right,
and Rose got
put your hands together.
nothing.
Dining room waits.
What you got, babe?
I found this. I found it.
What is
It's
it?
like finding a duck.
Oh,
I found a lot of
you
coins.
found gold.
I found gold.
It's like a duck, but it's gold. We're going to cash those in the casino. Don't worry about it, babe.
Yay.
I'll lose them in like 8 minutes.
Whoa.
Never know who you run into on a cruise ship. Everybody remembers a mall, right? A mall. A mall takes care of us.
Nice to see you.
Get on the Vista, free drinks for everybody. Care of the mall.
Come over. All drinks on me.
That's a joke. It's that time of night. Long day. Michael likes me better. I got more. Yeah, way to go, Michael. Michael, why do we drink martinis?
So good.
Because they're so good. And here we are in the atrium. Michael just dropped a bottle. Not sure if it was Michael, but anyway, it's that time of night. You know where I'm going. You know where she's going. You know where he's going. We're all going somewhere.
Cheers on the visit to a very good night.
We've had a great day, a long day,
But we don't
a
know
great
where
day.
Rose is going.
But Rose, she's night already.
So good. Ooh,
Some people are lightweights.
wow. These are good, but they are strong.
Oh yeah, they're strong. Oh God, they are strong. I might be going to bed with her.
Wow, these are strong and they're good. We've had a great day and a good night.
Good night. Oh, and why do we drink these?
They're so good.
Because they're good. So tomorrow we're invited to something. Must be the diamond party. Oh, look at that! How cute. I don't know what is CAO.
What is what?
KO. I don't know what that means. We've had a long day. March 9th, 84 degrees outside. And it's our little place.